Hi guys, in this week's video I'm going to show you guys how to make some nice, wonderful festive earrings using mini glass containers found at the Dollar Tree. How cool is that? So let's get this video started, guys. See you in the video.
Add some UV resin. Add glitter, your preference of how much. Use a toothpick to mix glitter. Add pink salt, your preference of how much. Add more UV resin. Mix again to even glitter throughout the container. Add more UV resin, filling to the top. Measure and cut earring pins. Then place pin through the cork top. Close container. Shake or rotate jar a little to bring rocks to the top.
Place on the UV lamp for 3 to 4 minutes.
Add jump rings and earring hooks. Optional, you could paint the cork with nail polish for a little dazzle.
Comment down below, guys. What are your thoughts?
More designs.
Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification if you'd like to see some more videos like this. Till next time, we'll mix it up, Jan. Bye-bye.